Hey everyone, and welcome to Pumpkin Abbey. So for today's project, we are reworking the plants here at the north end of the yard and creating a butterfly garden. This whole section right here is going to focus on plants and flowers that attract butterflies. Now we've already moved some stuff around and took some things out, and I've got some new things to put in today. And you might notice I've already built a little water station for them. It's just a little bird bath, and I built a little pile of rocks for them in the center there to land on, and ran a drip line to it with about I think a half-gallon per hour emitter that will keep it full of water every time the water system runs. Bricks, you see, I wrote the names of the plants on those little bricks. That way, as the plants die back for winter, it'll be easy to tell where the new stuff is, because there's no way I will remember come next spring. Now for sure I'm going to leave the miscanthus, or the variegated Japanese silvergrass, and I've already cut back some canna lilies back there. Those are staying. That nepeta is in a pot, and we'll put that in the ground too. And I'd like to work in those alum. I'm just not 100% sure where I'll put them, so for right now I'll just leave them in their pots. The butterfly garden will come all the way down to here, so those cannas will have to come out eventually, which they sprouted up on their own anyway. We didn't put them there. But the butterfly garden will stop about here because, nope, you don't get to see that yet. I'll talk about that in a later video. So let's get rolling. All right, here we are, and they already look so good. I'm really going to love this come next spring, and hopefully so will all the pollinators. Again, those bricks are just to keep track of everything over the winter, and I don't know the exact variety of that nepeta. I started it in the spring from seed, and it just said nepeta, so I put it in this area, so if it gets a little taller it will still fit in okay. Next spring I hope to add in some milkweed, specifically for the monarchs and the swallowtail, like parsley, so I'm going to tuck some parsley in for them. All right, we will keep you updated if we do any more out here, so check back often. See you next time. Bye.